Aloha, welcome to Dawn's Crafty Corner. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell to be notified of my videos. If you are a longtime viewer, welcome back. So this is an unboxing and a first impression review of TRUArt. It is a wood burning kit. It's in a stainless steel, feels like stainless steel, cased. It comes with two machines. Not sure what those are. Got all these little bits and gadgets. It's got stencils. Great instructions, I mean. And then you've got these other stencils that I would assume that you need carbon paper to do. Wording. That's cool. When it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. Got all these neat little sayings. And then it looks like you can get more stencils at truart.co/stencils. I'm assuming that when you burn this stencil here, this is what it'll look like. Comes with heating element, nibs, stamps, soldering tip, knife blade, collet for knife blade, stand, handle, cable with plug, power switch. I mean, it's very detailed, the instructions. So if you're new at using this like I will be, you shouldn't have any problem. I look forward to actually trying this out for you guys. So, alright, so stay tuned, and I will be reviewing this very soon. I have to go get some wood so that I can play around with it. And I gotta figure out how to get it back in the box. Don't we always have that kind of problems? You know, to make sure you get it in the box just right. So, okay, so stand by. I'll have all their information linked in the description box below so you can check them out in the meantime. TRUArt Wood Burning Kit. Aloha!